Hello students, today we will learn about the length unit conversion. So let's get started. What is length? Length is the measurement of something from end to end. Again, length is the measurement of something from end to end. We usually use a ruler or a meter stick in measuring something, right? So when we measure length, we measure how long something is. So you can measure the length of anything, like the length of the field, the length of the ant, the length of the table, the length of the bridge, the length of the eraser, the length of your bed, the length of the land, and the length of the airplane. We measure using units of length. This can be standard units or non-standard. Speaking of standard units, such as millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Again, the standard units such as millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. The main unit for length is the meter, or m for short. There are also other smaller and bigger units like millimeters, or mm for short, centimeters, or cm for short, and kilometers, or km for short. The units are how we are going to label an answer. In comparing units of length, remember that in 1 cm or 1 centimeter, there are 10 millimeters. Again, in 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. In 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters. Again, in 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. And 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Again, in 1 kilometer, there are 1,000 meters.
A meter is divided into 100 equal parts called centimeters. Again, a meter is divided into 100 equal parts called centimeters. In 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters. Again, in 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. A centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts called millimeters. Again, this is divided into 10 equal parts called millimeters. Therefore, in 1 centimeter, there are 10 millimeters. Again, in 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Also, in 1 kilometer, there are 1,000 meters. Again, in 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters.
And now, we will learn how to convert one unit into the other unit.
First, let's learn converting centimeters to millimeters. Remember that in 1 centimeter, there are 10 millimeters. So the question here is, 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? So we need to multiply with 10. So we have 1 centimeter is equal to 1 times 10. So therefore, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Next example is 2 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? Again, we need to multiply with 10. So therefore, 2 centimeter is equal to 2 times 10. Yes, equals 20. Therefore, 2 centimeter is equal to 20 millimeters. Remember, we need to multiply with 10 if we want to convert cm to mm or centimeters to millimeters. Now let's learn converting millimeters to centimeters. So here is our question. 10 millimeters is equal to how many centimeters? Again, 10 millimeters is equal to how many centimeters? Since this is from smaller unit to bigger unit, so we need to divide it by 10. We have 10 millimeters is equal to 10 divided by 10 centimeters. 10 divided by 10 equals, what is 10 divided by 10? Yes, equals 1. Therefore, 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. Next is 20 millimeters is equal to how many centimeters? Again, 20 millimeters is equal to how many centimeters? The same process, we will divide it by 10. So we have 20 millimeters is equal to 20 divided by 10. What is 20 divided by 10? Equals 2. Therefore, 20 millimeters is equal to 2 centimeters. Remember, while converting millimeters to centimeters, we divide it by 10. Again, if we want to convert millimeters to centimeters, we will divide it by 10. Now let's learn converting meters to centimeters. Remember, in 1 meters there are 100 centimeters. So therefore, if 2 meters is equal to 200 centimeters. If we want to convert meters to centimeters, we will multiply by 100. Next example is 3 meters is equal to how many centimeters? Again, 3 meters is equal to how many centimeters? The same process, we will multiply by 100. So we have 3 meters is equal to 3 times 100. What is the 3 times 100? Yes, equals 300. Therefore, 3 meters is equal to 300 centimeters. While converting meters to centimeters, we multiply by 100. Again, if we want to convert meters to centimeters, we need to multiply by 100. And now, let's learn converting centimeters to meters. Again, from centimeters to meters. So here is the question. 100 centimeter is equal to how many meters? Again, 100 centimeters is equal to how many meters? By looking at the unit, from smaller unit to bigger unit, again from centimeter to meter, so we need to divide it by 100. So we have 100 centimeters is equal to 100 divided by 100 meters. What is 100 divided by 100? Yes, equals 1. So therefore, 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Another question, 200 centimeters is equal to how many meters? Again, 200 centimeters is equal to how many meters? The same process, if we want to convert centimeters to meters, we need to divide it by 100. We have 200 centimeters is equal to 200 divided by 100 meters. What is 200 divided by 100? Yes, 2. So therefore, 200 centimeters is equal to 2 meters. Now let's learn converting kilometers to meters. We have 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? Again, in 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? In converting kilometers to meters, we need to multiply by 1000. Again, if we want to convert kilometers to meters, we need to multiply by 1000. So we have 1 kilometer is equal to 1 times 1000 meters. So what is 1 times 1000? Yes, equals 1000. Therefore, in 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Again, in 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. How about in 2 kilometers? How many meters? So again, the same process. We will multiply by 1,000. So 2 times 1,000 equals? Yes, 2,000. So therefore, 2 kilometers is equal to 2,000 meters. Again, 2 kilometers is equal to 2,000 meters. Now let's learn converting meters to kilometers. We have here the question, 3,000 meters is equal to how many kilometers? As we can see in the unit, this is from smaller unit to bigger unit. In converting meters to kilometers, we need to divide it by 1,000. Again, in converting meters to kilometers, we need to divide it by 1,000. So we have 3,000 meters is equal to 3,000 divided by 1,000 kilometers. So what is 3,000 divided by 1,000? Equals 3. Yes, correct. So therefore, 3,000 meters is equal to 3 kilometers. Again, 3,000 meters is equal to 3 kilometers. Whenever we convert bigger units to smaller units of length, we will multiply. For kilometers to meters, we will multiply by 1,000. For meters to centimeters, we will multiply by 100. And for centimeters to millimeters, we will multiply by 10. Again, for kilometers to meters, we need to multiply by 1,000. For meters to centimeters, we will multiply by 100. And centimeters to millimeters, we will multiply by 10. However, when we're converting small unit to bigger unit, we will divide.
Now it's your turn. So please take your worksheet and your pen or pencil and answer the questions there to learn more. Remember this. This can be helpful for you so that you can easily answer the question. Again, if you want to convert centimeter to millimeters, you need to multiply by 10. Again, cm to mm, you need to multiply by 10. Millimeters to centimeters, you need to divide it by 10. For meters to centimeters, you need to multiply by 100. Centimeter to meters, you need to divide it by 100. And also for kilometers to meters, you need to multiply by 1,000. And vice versa, from meters to kilometers, you need to divide by 1,000. So remember all of this so that you can easily answer the questions in your worksheets. Good luck! Thank you for your cooperation. Keep safe, everyone.